seriously. Look at that. Wow. It's 6 in the morning. Welcome back to another episode. I slept outside last night. I shall show you where I slept. Look at that. I am going to go. I'm actually going to go back to bed for about another hour, maybe 2. Yeah, so I'll see you in a minute. Well, finally I've got up. I've had my breakfast and I'm all packed. It takes forever. It really does. It takes an hour to get all this sorted. 55 kilometers to go to a reasonably big sized town. I can get I need lots more water. I'm going to top the tank up. Then I need to make a decision. So I can either just stay there in a hotel for the day, the evening and whatever, and sort of recamp, as it were, reset, or there's the main road, which is now tarmac road, that goes down south for about 180 kilometers. And get on that and just get to where I want to go, because there's another little national park bit similar to this, I think, I would like to take a look at. And if the roads are easy and I feel up to it, then I'll do that. Anyway, let's get the gloves on. I think. Oh, scratch my nose. Remember to get that up. Okay. We ready? Oh, it's a nice cool breeze in my face there. I like that. And I'm glad the sun isn't beating down at the minute. And hopefully it'll be just like this all day. And that'd be lovely. Sand. Whoa. Look at that. See, this track's got a lot of this going on. It's horrible. And then you get sections of sand. Blooming awful. And I've still got 40 kilometres to go. I'm sure it will change, but this is not very nice. Jesus, deep sand here. Do not fall. There we go. Through there and up the other side. Oh! It's on forever and ever. I need some water. Wow. Yeah, you're okay. Oh my god. Oh my God, come on! Yeah, you just stay there. Here we are. I'm going to have to come through the back here. A little bit industrial outside here. Oh, shitty tracks leading into towns always. Just cars going up and down. Yeah, I'm even more scared of that. Oh, it's stuck in here for a minute. Oh my word. Okay, so there's the supermarket up there. I got a load of water, I made a load of water this time, got about 7 litres I think on. And what else? Yeah, full tank of gas. And I'm going to just check out, there's a hotel over there, I want to have a quick look just to see what it is, because I might stop here on the way back, because right now it's only I think 1 o'clock and I'm going to head down the road to the next place I want to visit, which is 179 kilometres, but I believe it's all tarmac, so I think I mentioned that a few times. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're just driving up here, and apparently there's a hotel I think just over there, but there might have been 2 nights time. I want to just see if it is what I think it is. Let's go down here. Oh no, one way. Got to go around. So yeah, they do. Oh. I'm not sure if that worked out in translation, but so basically I found a hotel and I managed to do tourists, got a load of tourists coming through, and I managed to make her understand I'm going to motorbike away for 2 days and then I'll be back, and it's dirt cheap. But I think it's just too early to get a room now. I'll just be sitting around twiddling my thumbs, quite frankly. So I might just get on the road and just sort of plod. Okay. Your big truck stop area. So I'm averaging just inside 60 kilometres an hour. Now this bike, I don't really want to push this bike too much. I don't think it's designed for it. Just a random digger. Another thing to note, further south I go, the quality of the roads has got worse. So slowly but surely, it's probably like the 4th bridge. They work their way along it all the time and then start back at the top. Roads have got worse. I'm just wondering how much tarmac there is, and there's a lot of people going off-road up there. It's a bit of a pain because it's still about 80 odd kilometres to go. I'm doing 80 odd kilometres off-road. I'm not going to get there in time. There's definitely a caution sign up there, so let's go and take a look. Yeah, look, there's you. I think that's probably why people don't come up this way. A lot of people maybe use the dirt tracks to go around it. I don't know. Who knows? Keep going. But the worst case scenario, if it gets really shit, you turn around. Now, pretty appalling. This is a particularly bad stretch. And look around. There's nothing. Oh, here we go. You sort of get good stretches and bad stretches. This is a bad bit. That way, here we are. Not a lot going on. Where am I going? Over there somewhere. Wow, I mean, look at that. Into those hills. Ah, there's the track I needed. See, that was the one I wanted all along. All right, okay. I found a place for the evening to camp. I'm just going to turn this round. That's me there. You see all those kind of dune things there? Look at this. And this landscape is like massive. So, right, you probably can't see, but right on the horizon there's some telegraph poles. That's the main road I came in on, and I came all across this. And I was supposed to come up this way here, but it took me, for some bizarre reason, because I wasn't keeping an eye on the tracking thing, I actually went beyond where that, you can see it just there, the yurt is. Just behind there, there's those rocks. I was on the other side of those. So I thought, that's not right. And because you look at the map, you think, oh, it's not far away. Before you know it, to come all the way up here, up here, up here. So I didn't come up this bit, but I had my tracking on by then, but it's now I'm supposed to be going across the back over there still. And I've still got a long way to go before I actually get to these things, rocks, whatever. So it's got too late. I'm like, stuff it, that'll do for the minute. So we'll just, what about the weather? Oh, do I sleep under the stars again? That's the problem. There we have it. Camp. Oh, I'll get on with a good view somewhere. So that is camp number 4. Yeah, there we go. There are, folks. Camp number 4. Nothing here. Nothing here. Oh, well, it's almost the end of the day. Coming up for 7:30, and the wind's picking up. Because I've got my my Garmin satellite thing, it gives me really up-to-date weather. It's going to get to about 16 miles an hour tonight, the wind. I've got the bike in front of the tent to try and block some of the wind. Not that I can do, I mean, you can see. It's either that or it's just that. I'm not going to go up there, and I can't go down there because I might not be able to get the bike out. So it'll be fine. So having lunch, not lunch, having dinner tonight is, oh, hold on. Oh, spicy pasta, basically. That's going on in there, getting to use my burner. Yeah. Coffee about to be done. That's it. Nothing much else to report, apart from it was a long day. I quite enjoyed the motorway. I didn't realise much of a... hold on, it's boiling. Hold on. Let's turn that off. I didn't realise how much of a numb bum you get going that long. But hey ho. What else? The first 55 kilometres I did. Oh yeah, by the way, I have got a luxury chair. I love it. Oh, it's great. Best thing I bought, apart from a few other bits. Oh, I'm rattling on, aren't I? Yeah, but bloody hell, this really is middle of nowhere. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Today's breakfast, and just rough it out. Morning oats. Yeah.